Okay, live day trading. Okay, so already what I'm looking for here, daily, we just filled this daily gap here. Definitely want to see overall market structure push lower. Okay, and you can already see that we did that on the 4 hour here on NQ. We filled this gap, right? Well, it was a daily gap that we filled, not the 4 hour. We pushed lower, took out a nice low here, and we kind of just been pushing higher from that. Okay, this ES, but NQ, pretty much the same thing. Filled this gap, came lower, swept this low. Now we're retracing higher. I want to see us push into this other 4 hour gap here. Followed by that, we do have this 1 hour gap that we are retracing from that could induce that push higher. Definitely do want to see that to test this higher time frame change in state as well. Maybe take out some of this resting buy side that we have right here. If we jump like literally on the 5 minute right now, kind of have this SMT that we just formed, this bullish or bearish SMT. Hopefully we can see us have like a valid change in state. So yeah, we're still waiting for that SMT, to be honest. I think it just filled, and yeah, but anyways, you can see here, let's see if we have like a little bullish SMT play. I definitely want to see, we have great targets on both sides of the market right now. Here we have all this resting sell side right here, resting sell side down here. This low is pretty prominent, but as well we do have some resting buy side right here, buy side, and this higher time frame gap, which would be amazing for a manipulation move to like kind of take out this liquidity and then hit like kind of rebalance off that gap, that 4 hour gap. That would be beautiful. It's almost 9:40 here. Yeah, but it couldn't really go anyway, right? It could really go anyway, if we're being honest. Sorry if my mic's too loud. I've been trying to fix the volume to make it so like I can talk quietly and it'll still be loud. Nothing. But yeah, so market can really go either way today. I mean, let's see if we have any news. They haven't really checked. Yeah, so we have no news today either, so that is kind of rough for us. I wouldn't say rough, but small chance we might not see anything. Yeah. Also, what we could be seeing is us taking out this resistance sell side and then sweeping it, kind of just coming higher from it. Because basically what we want to see is price to form structure. We want to see price form structure, and then we want to see price break structure to kind of induce a fake out to those retail traders. Alright, then preceding that, we do want to see us like that manipulation to distribution. So we want to see us then give off all of that liquidity that we did kind of manipulate, and then give it to like those people who are like more patient, those who are, I guess, big dogs, you would say. I feel like my camera's like crooked. Looks like we're pushing lower. We did start market pushing lower too, which is fine. I mean, we kind of expected that from this 5 minute bearish gap, right? Or 5 minute bearish SMT. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So do have that. We could most definitely be hitting kind of like this 50% of this hourly gap here. I could definitely see us hitting that 50 point. That 50 point is literally like this imbalance that we have right here. We'd literally be inversing that, and that would be perfect for taking out this sell side liquidity that we had right here. And then with that, probably want to target this buy side, this 4 hour gap. The only thing is that I probably would only want to target like probably this high of the accumulation zone, or literally just the bare real bodies of the accumulation zone, only because like the liquidity that we have in the market, we don't have really much kind of pushing price right now since we don't have that news in the market. So kind of just want to play it by ear. Definitely take it slow. Take it slow. Take it slow. Why am I so like light? I know I'm light skinned, but I know I'm not this light. Maybe if I like balance the light and make it more light, then it would be less light. You know what I'm saying? Dingy ass freaking what do they call it? Dingy ass blinds. Bro, I swear when I get, bro, my house is not even gonna have blinds, bro. I'm gonna have tinted windows. Actually, no, in my room I might have like blackout blinds, blackout curtains. Yeah, dingy ass curtains. That's what I meant. These are. But my house, my high rise, is gonna be only windows. No need for curtains here. But yeah, that's for another day, another time, another experience. I'm just like ponder and look up at the future. Alright, let me chill. Alright, so it looks like definitely manipulating heavy. I love how we're kind of just like tanking right now. 945 just about. Taking out all this resistance sell side. Here we do have this 5-minute gap, which I do like as well. And kind of coming to that 50 point of this hourly gap. Definitely do want to see us test, at least test these highs. We did test it on ES, so we may want to see some displacement, or at least like filling this gap too. We have and also possibly even forming this SMT as we come lower to fill this gap. Right now I would kind of say right now we do not have the SMT yet. We want to see, I kind of want to see NQ make a lower low and a lower low here to induce that we came towards this gap, or not to induce, but like to show us that we came towards this gap. And then I want to see ES kind of have that lower low, higher high, because I'm willing to just see us like literally just like retrace. Not, we don't even have to touch this gap really on ES. We could like rebalance off of it, or we can just keep it pushing higher, you know. But I definitely want to see NQ like possibly inverse this gap. So I want to see a higher high and then a higher low, so it look like this. But if you don't see anything from there, it's completely fine too. If price just wants to rally higher, that's fine, as long as we see like some nice equal highs being formed. And then some like confirmation that we're taking longs. That would be nice. Sorry about my bed. Oh my gosh. Like back when I used to like record back in my house, I promise you would never find a time with my bed not made. I mean, you can check any video. I'll literally put money on it. Maybe one video, but I found out, like, I recognized that it wasn't made, and then I made it immediately on camera. So yeah, but the dorm, it's different. For all the college people here, you understand. It's just different. It's not really like your own. I don't know. I still don't see this place. I still see it like as I'm visiting. I don't see it as a home whatsoever. I call it like the place. Anytime I'm going back here, I'll be like, I'm going back to the place. It's definitely not home, not a house. Definitely don't want to get it twisted. This is my firm foundation. Christ is my firm foundation. The ride going with Alright, we created like a new high here, which I kind of like to see. I like to see that. If we can come back into something here, then I think I'll be willing to take this play. I feel like we already took out this. Did we take out this sell side? Not really. I don't like that. Actually, we did, but we didn't really take out these lows, which I don't really like. But at the same time, it's like coming up to 948. Yo, if we're pushing higher, bro, I swear, if we take out this high, then that like might piss me off. The fact that we're, oh my goodness, wow, might not take anything today. I don't like how we didn't take out these lows. I really don't like that. I really don't like that. I really don't like that. Alright, so that's pretty good valid displacement. I definitely would want to see us like come back and mitigate some. I know we have this 1 minute fair value gap here. Not really banking on that though. I really don't want to bank on this. I'm not one to really bank on 1 minute confluences. Apart from the other day. The other day it did play out, but still, this is like, bro. We have this gap, right? We have this block down here. I mean, even if we were to make a gap, this 2 minute gap, I'd be more like favoring this gap over us taking a 1 minute confluence. We don't even have a change in, oh my gosh, we don't even have no changes. We do not have a change in state delivery here on the ES. Dang. Giving me nothing, NQ? Giving me nothing? Oh, that sucks. Definitely gonna hit these draws. Not sure if we're gonna want to test change the state again, but alright, bro. So looks like we're just gonna take out these draws. That is something. Didn't really want to see us take out these draws before we had an entry, but that did happen. It didn't even come back to this 1 minute either. See, that says something. Looks like price just wants to rally higher towards this high. After we take out this high, I wouldn't really want to bank on coming back higher. It is a possibility, but do want to be careful. I hope NQ does not take out this high, but it looks like it is. I like how we're forming like changing state here. We're coming towards these highs here. If we could get some displacement on ES, That would be pretty nice. Alright, so we got some displacement here. NQ definitely took out this draw, no doubt. The only thing is that NQ's coming up to this 4-hour gap, bro. That is literally trifling, bro. After NQ hits this, oh my gosh, literally nothing. I mean, if you want to count, yo, you could have entered off of the 32nd if you wanted. I know Justin Verlaine definitely took this play because he trades off the 32nd, but me personally, sorry, I can't. Definitely just filled this gap here. We have some more resting buy side if we want to target that. This might. That sucks. Another day just predicting the markets and no entry. No entry. Can't lie, price was moving pretty clean this month. Alright, there was an entry on here on ES. Oh, that was still the 1 minute. There was no 2-minute confirmation. I don't like that. Alright, just tap that 4-hour gap. Definitely pushing higher. Could definitely see us pushing to this buy side level. This is definitely a relative. It's pretty relative on both indexes. If we were to see a retracement, like this right here, this retracement would definitely be gold, in my opinion. Yeah, looks like ES wants to target these levels though. That hurts, bro. That hurts. Literally no tight play. Oh my. No retracements whatsoever. Maybe we have one on ES. Literally one on ES on the 1 minute. If you want to look at the 32nd, we had some on the 32nd. 30 seconds is not enough for me. Oh my gosh. What the heck? NQ? NQ, you're supposed to be the good boy. Yeah, see, we didn't even mitigate this, right? We made the gap, yes, but we did not come back within it. And I would have like literally I probably would have entered off that. Who knows? Now it's 9:57. Can't really ask for much now. We're coming up to a 4-hour gap here. It's great seeing the model play out though. One more time. It's definitely great seeing the model play out, but there's just no entries. So it tweeze what it tweeze. That's what Yeet says. It tweeze what it tweeze. 2080. That's not working. Tweeze, what a tweeze. If we can come to this 2 minute here on NQ, I'll be willing to come test this 4 hour one more time. We're rebalancing off of ES, but I want to see NQ come here. This is our first 2 minute gap that we're finally coming towards. We do have this relative buy side. I could see us push into this 4 hour gap. Just inversed it here on NQ or on ES. NQ's pushing higher from it. I'm entering. The fact that we're not even like having some retracement from it is kind of wonky to me. Looks like we're pushing towards this one. Oh no, we're tanking. We could have like the smallest stop loss here. Nah, it's not even worth it. It's not even worth it, guys. It's not even worth it. We're just gonna figure out why are we like coming down to these, and if we come down to this and then rebalance higher, then that's something. It would. I like this rejection from ES. Just inverse this gap here on NQ. Inverse the 5 minute gap. This is coming off of this confluence. Alright. I'm gonna enter in one bot.
Order filled.
Or put stops. Okay. Fuck this. Why does it do this, bro? Why does it like leverage $1,000? Is it the day? Like, what the heck, bro? Bro, I'm not even lying. I don't even feel that comfortable with being in this. We're gonna test this gap again. The only thing is this literally pink stops at break right now. Break even. Like, why is it leveraging like freaking so much? NQ, bro. Yeah, stops at break even anyways. if we get stopped by if you don't hit it by a tick, that'd be rough. Literally 505. 505. Came to this gap here on ES. Apparently we're looking at the 30-second now because that's what we like to.
Order filled.
Alright. W on the day. Rough day. Rough day. It just. I don't even know what to say, bro. I don't even know what to say. And I mean, we got out by like a micro dick right here. Oh my gosh. I was just. I don't even know what to say about today. Today was just. Oh, bro. Today was like a shit show. I'm not even gonna lie. I'll take the dub. Don't get me wrong. I'm very grateful. But today was just a shit show. Goodness. With this 4-hour higher time frame gap right here, that just was throwing me off. NQ leveraging $1,000 for some freaking reason, it was throwing me off. Like when I first entered this, that was throwing me off. One contract, come on, NQ. No way, like a bro. I know y'all like y'all seen this. Y'all seen when I entered and put my stops down here, right below this low. It was a freaking $1,000. But I take the dub regardless. When we were in break even, then I was like, fuck it, we ball, we hold. So I mean, I'll take it since we were at break even, but like, trust, stops nowhere below 350. This 1 minute gap we had right here is the only thing that was what we were banking on. Definitely a risky trade today. Definitely wanted to like. See, that's why I wanted to leverage lower. Did not want to leverage a lot on this play. Like the fact that we're looking at the 30-second and we're not even moving like a full point and doing like hundreds. That's no bueno. That's no bueno. But I definitely take it. It's a great dub. Let's see what ES is doing. I mean, I could definitely see us pushing. The only reason why I wanted to hop back into this, even though we did hit our original draws, is because we have this relative buy side that I do want to see us eventually take out on both the indexes. It's just going to take a minute to get through this 4-hour gap here, I feel like. So, 30-second, this was our play. I'll take it. W's. Great way to end off the week. Literally, correct me if I'm wrong, but we went 4 out of 5 this week. That's pretty good. 4 out of 5. Actually, no. I took like, actually, no. Yeah. 4 out of 5 because we went break even on Monday. Probably lost like $40. But then, rest of the week, it was a decent week. I'll definitely say that. So, y'all have a great weekend though. Rest up. Take a break from the charge because, you know, these can get stressful AF. Spend some time with your family. Spend some time with God, you know. You guys, rest up because we come back next week and we ball again. No matter wins or losses. That's just how the game goes every day. every week, getting better, one step at a time.
Let's do it, baby.
But
yeah.
all right, but y'all stay safe. Have a great weekend, Dubs.